Welcome. Good morning. It's about 4:30, 4:45, something like that in the morning. We're on our way. Cause what in due time is Sue time. It's your dog, man. So sometimes you gotta throw on the regular clothes too. Just to show y'all something. We don't just show stuff, dog. We don't just show stuff just to be sitting up there showing y'all and don't really have it, don't really got it, bro. It's your dog, man. Legendary. Let's go.
This is JP, and this is the JP Way.
One down, one to go. JFK, 7:30 in the morning. It's your dog. Let's go.
I already told y'all. How many times I tell y'all, anytime you hear that voice like that, what? You about to go somewhere with some cool pieces.
They about to go nuts. Watch.
La bienvenida a Santiago, la hora local es la 1:17 de la tarde. Por su seguridad permanezca sentado con su cinturón abrochado hasta que Carolina haya apagado las señales y carro.
And
And this is welcome to Santiago, Dominican Republic, baby. We here, man. Little like 3-hour, 40-minute flight from JFK. Pretty solid, man. Nothing too much to say. All right, holla back at y'all later.
Man, that was like the easiest arrival that I ever had here. You know, it was like straight through. You ain't even have to really do nothing at all, boy. And right now, at least I get a chance to warm up, because dog, the plane froze a brother out, boy. I can thaw out now. But yeah, we here. Let me let y'all go, because I need to handle some business, and then I'll come back to y'all a little bit later, let y'all see a little something. All right, peace. Oh, and make sure, man, y'all hit that legendary like button, hit that subscribe button, drop a comment, man. It's your boy, man. Y'all know I'm gonna be bringing y'all some heat, some good old legendary content. Come on, man. Holla at y'all. All right, I'm trying something different. I said, let me try and do what you call it, like Uber or something like that. I was like, I'll do the Uber, and that way I can see how the Uber work here. So, about to see how it go, dog. And this is like half the price what it say online. As far as they be wanting like $100 to come from Santiago, this is only like, I want to say $50. So yeah, we about to see what it do. Yeah, I'm with my guy in the Uber, man. We just stopped here, grab some gas right quick, and then the mission can continue, man. Well, yeah, localized experience, man. Told you all the time, get in the trenches, get with the people, dog. I know y'all say this ain't nothing but an Uber, but still, y'all be probably scared as I don't know what, like, oh man, he said he about to stop at the gas station. Is he trying to do something funny, man? But nah, man, good to go.
Sí, gracias.
With the nice cover here. Man, what? We here, backpacks and bags and all this stuff, you know what I mean? But we here finally. Plane got in a little bit late, but that really wasn't the issue. The issue kind of started, I mean, the what you call that guy, the Uber guy, he was good, but the only problem was I thought I could get to the bank before they closed, but that was about 10 minutes. Then I'm messaging a person on the Airbnb app about this place, and me and him going back and forth. Then at the end, he gonna tell me, he gonna say, oh no, the place is not available today, it's available tomorrow. I'm like, dude, so what me and you going back and forth about? But I'll take the blame on that one, cause I should have been had this stuff booked. But whatever. So got in contact with this one other lady after messaging I don't know how many other people, and they really weren't responding, but she responded fast, and we got a spot. So oh boy. Okay, so welcome to my Airbnb spot here in Sousa. Let's see what we got. Upon entry, got a decent, nice smell in here. It's warm like crazy, but that's of course because this is the top floor, and it is hot outside. Turn some lights on in here. Pretty solid though. I ain't gonna lie. Spacious. This TV right here is weak though. They could have definitely gave a better TV. I like the tile work. It's pretty straight. Kitchen, sea-level kitchen. Nothing to write home about. Cleanliness is good though. I'm just looking at how the glass tables and stuff is. No marks, no smells, nothing, man. Pretty good in here. Information. This is the same old garden condo, man. I told y'all all the time, man. This is the compound. We back at the compound again. Let's see what the bedroom look like. Queen bed is straight. Sheets and everything is pretty clean. You know, I gotta do a little quick check. Make sure everything's straight. Yeah, that's good. All right. My fault if the camera placement is kind of whack, but you know, I like to look around in the spots when I come in, make sure they all good to go. And that's straight up. I don't like the fact the shower curtain, man. I ain't no big fan of the shower curtain. And then what's up with that hole down there, dog? But it's gonna have to do. Dang, they got a plug in the shower. But it's all right. It's straight. It's gonna have to do. So, like I say, and it's straight. No cleanliness issues. They got a safe right here. Let me show this safe works. Safe work. All right. And yeah, man, it's your boy right here. You know, man, sweating like crazy though. Just by walking in here, I was straight sitting outside, but come up in here, sweating though. But no, man, this solid though. Solid little unit here at the Garden Condos, Sousa, you know. Like I say again, your boy messing up back against the wall, so I had to book this one. Pretty much ain't had no choice because I ran through all the other little options. Why this door open? That's probably why it's hot up in here. That's wild. That's knocked in. I don't know how to tell them about that one. Other than that, this is pretty solid. So I'm about to let y'all go so I can get this cleaned up, sanitized, and ready for your boy. This was just a quick look of one of the units again here at the Garden Condos, aka the compound, you know. And I was trying to show y'all this little balcony, but I can't get this dang door open right here. And I'm gonna have to put this camera down. Hold on. All right, so like I say, this unit here is on the 3rd floor. I never stayed on the 3rd floor. Always either it's like the 1st or the 2nd. But I like the view up top here. That's pretty dope. But I know y'all done seen this place many a times. It is what it is, man. So old girl ended up answering, hooked it up. We good to go now. So yeah, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit that like button if you're new to the channel, or if you're a returning viewer, man, hit that like button, man. Also, drop a comment, man. Comments always welcome. Stupid stuff will get deleted like immediately. So, whatever, man. We out. It's your boy JP, and this is the JP Way. Peace.